So this is my today's push-up exercise. I planned to do push-up exercise daily. Every day I do 30 push-ups after completing my yoga sessions. So for that I started doing push-ups, and that's how I started. I was taking my time and then I started doing push-ups, and then tried to straighten my posture, and hope this is done particularly well by me. uh, so that's I am doing push-ups, and after 20 push-ups I started feeling till tired, so I took some time, and you can see here I'm taking some rest, and after that I again started doing, but then I also felt a little tired, so I took one more uh, one more rest session, and then again I started doing push-ups, and it was being very difficult for me today, so but I continuously kept on doing it, and then this is the last push-up that I did, and it is like this. Then I have completed my daily 30 push-ups challenge, and then I took some rest. And please guys, like this video, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel for watching more such videos. Thank you.